phenomenology opens the door to understanding human points of view, unlike the quantitative sciences, that we may not share. So that if I wish to know about what's going on in India, and I want to know in a more scientific way, then it would be good to have a descriptive science of what's going on, so I'm not caught blindsided. The Indian culture is different than ours, but not so different that we cannot communicate the differences. Although one has to be cautious, and phenomenology has that caution in terms of not effacing the differences by projecting our own cultural perspectives. This has been a problem in the West, since we are the ones who colonized the world and misinterpreted that world that we colonized. Phenomenology gives us an opportunity to find out what our categories blinded us to, because another thing about phenomenology is it's meant to be what Husserl called presuppositionless. Now that's an ideal. It's very hard to be presuppositionless. We speak a particular language which has its own perspective. We come with a certain outlook. But as a scientist, as a phenomenologist provides us a tool to understand differences that are human. So that wouldn't apply only to, say, Indian culture. I don't think of India as having a religion called Hinduism, because I think the term religion is one of the words that we have imposed on the world. I don't think religion is an appropriate term for what's going on spiritually elsewhere. India has India. We call it Hinduism, but God knows it's different than what we call religion. And Japan, it's the same thing. I just was in Japan, and the Japanese religion is to be Japanese. It's not to go to Shinto shrines, because Shinto shrines fit into the Western picture of what religion is supposed to be. Same is true as India. But this helps us also understand our own fellow religions, that Jews could understand Christianity or Islam, and Muslims could understand Judaism. The science is a necessary component for understanding them. I mean, there will be differences, of course, that will not be resolvable, but the first step is understanding, and I think phenomenology is a very useful tool for that.